In this video, we're going to review the Sales Support Rep dashboard. 3 things I'd like you to learn are how to open and update the dashboard, how to use the dashboard to find work you need to complete, and how to understand the components of the SMR dashboard. There's a lot of information on the dashboard. You should refresh and review it at least once a day, first thing in the morning, to both find work that needs to be completed and to review your top opportunities. When you open Salesforce, it will default to the view from when it was last open. From the navigation bar, click on Dashboards, then Sales Support Rep Dashboards. Once open, go to the upper right corner and click Refresh. It'll just take a minute or so to complete this operation. When the refresh is completed, you'll see there are 13 boxes on the dashboard. Let's step through each one, beginning with those that require your action. The first is Active Leads. Click into the shaded area to see a list of leads that need to be worked. You should work on these leads right away. The second thing you should look at are open cases. I don't currently have any, but if I did, they'd show in this area. These are created by RAC, Revenue Accounting and Control, and are related to unprocessed orders for opportunities you manage. A procedure document that explains how to handle these cases is available in the Salesforce Lightning Resource Center. Here's what the document looks like. Next thing I'd like to take a look at is the active funnel E-aging. E is the very first stage that an opportunity is assigned when it is created. So these are newly created opportunities assigned to you. Let's click in and see. The opportunity will always have an open task called New Opportunity. As you work this opportunity, you should then update this. This will become your completed activity, and then create a new task for yourself with a follow-up date. Once you've done that, move the sales stage to D and mark as completed stage. While you're reviewing an E opportunity, you may find that there is already an opportunity for the same renewal. If so, close the E opportunity as non-win, and the reason is that there is an existing opportunity. I'm not going to do that right this second. You'll also need to, in the details section of the opportunity you're closing, list in there the existing opportunity that it is being closed to. Another thing that sometimes happens is you'll find that an E opportunity is really not has been assigned to you in error. In that case, you can reassign it to the correct contact by clicking in Opportunity Owner, Change Opportunity Owner, and here you can start to type in the name of the person it should be assigned to, and then Change Owner. All right, let's go back on the dashboard. And the next thing that I would like to talk about are open activities. Now these are overdue tasks by age strata. So these are tasks that you did not complete by the due date. You should always work these tasks first, followed by today's task. The rest of the boxes are informational. They provide insight into your funnel and help you manage your workload. Under Open Activities, you'll see every active opportunity should have an open task associated with it, with a follow-up date set to a future date and the next step defined. You should have a consistent number of activities, which are of course also referred to as tasks, spread over the next 30 days. You want to keep the number scheduled to 20 or less each day. Sometimes you'll see a spike on the first day of the month, and this is due to the way opportunities are loaded in Salesforce. You can reassign some of the task due dates when you have a spike to spread your work more evenly across the next several days. The next box, Active Funnel, Top 10 Active Opportunities, lists your top 10 open opportunities set to close in the current quarter based on revenue, highest to lowest. The top 10 total is shown at the bottom. These are your most important opportunities and should be routinely updated. Some other informational areas are the Active Funnel SMS, which shows both the number of opportunities you have open in the current quarter and also the revenue, and that is split out by territory. There are sometimes other revenue classes under your domain, such as NPS or term, and that's shown here in the Active Funnel Other Revenue classes. You can also see your closed opportunities for SMS for the current quarter, and those are divided into wins and non-wins, and you see the number of opportunities and the associated revenue. Same thing, closed opportunities for the other revenue classes, not including SMS. Over here, we see completed activities. Let's look here first. Completed activities related to object. This refers to the number of daily completed tasks in the current month, whether they're associated to an opportunity, which is most common, or sometimes to a contact. We can also look at our completed activities in the current month, broken down by the type of activity, such as an outbound call, an email, or a meeting. Last, we have completed leads, and this shows the completed lead outcome, which is either converted to an opportunity or not converted. As you can see, there is a lot of information on this dashboard. Again, you should refresh it at least once daily, first thing in the morning, find work that needs to be completed, and review your top opportunities.